Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For all of my new subscribers, welcome. So glad to have you guys here. Now I know it's been a minute since I posted a video, but I have a really good excuse for that, okay? Me and my husband, we're just getting settled into our new home. Yes, we just bought a new home and we are like beyond excited. And you know, moving is a process, so we've been kind of just getting our lives together. That plus I have an almost 1-year-old who'll be 1 year old next week, and he is so busy, y'all. If you have kids, you know what I'm talking about. This is my 6-month lock update. Can y'all believe like it's already been 6 months? Like, where's the time going? I started my locks when my son was 6 months and he's about to be a year. I'm not ready. Anyway, and my locks are 6 months. So I just wanted to get on here and give you guys like a little update. You know, I've already told you the products that I used in my 5-month lock update video. Nothing has changed as far as the products go. I'm still doing the same regimen, still, you know, letting it happen. But I did say I was semi-freeforming, which I lasted for 7 weeks, and then I decided to do a retwist. I'm still retwisting with the flax gel. Hopefully next time I will make it the full 8 weeks, but I just couldn't do it. I couldn't do it. I really tried, but it was like my husband was asking me like, what are you gonna do with your hair? Like, is it time for you to retwist or what? And normally when he starts asking me questions, you know it's time for me to do my hair, because he never says anything about my hair really. And my sister was like, Ashley, are you gonna do your hair? And I was like, no, because I'm, you know, semi-freeforming. And she was like, I think it's time for you to do your hair. And I was like, okay, that's the second person. And my friend comes over and she's like, are you gonna do your hair? I mean, are you just gonna let it stay like that? Or so yeah, I just went ahead and retwisted, because you know what, I ain't got time for all these questions. That's none of their business anyway. But I felt it was time for me to go ahead and retwist. I'm still happy with the results. I mean, I'm still experiencing, you know, like thick locks or whatever. It's not thinning or anything, so I'm still on the up and up with my, you know, my retwist schedule. Hopefully next time I make it to 8 weeks, we'll see. I will keep you guys updated. But semi-freeforming may be like a 8 weeks type of thing for me, no longer than 8 weeks. I'm still washing with the Jamaican black castor oil shampoo. Everything's pretty much the same. Still spraying my hair with the rose water and glycerin, and you know, spraying my hair with the water. So yeah guys, I just kind of wanted to get on here and give you guys an update real quick, because I know you're probably wondering like, oh my god, where is she? Where is she? I'm right here, just getting settled into my new home, so this video won't be long. Still got a lot of stuff to do. We actually got most of the stuff done, but you know, when you move into a new house, you gotta personalize it. It's just like so much to do, and you want to get it done like right away, but there is no way. And then I'm planning my son's birthday party, which is next Saturday. That's taking a lot of my time too. And also, I just started a part-time work from home job. Yeah, that happened. Not complaining. Very fortunate to still be able to stay at home and take care of my son. But moving into a new house means new expenses. So I just wanted to go ahead and try to get something so that we wouldn't be overwhelmed with the amount of stuff that we would have to pay for at first. Now, How long I'm going to be on this job, I don't know. But it seems like a pretty chill job. I mean, it's only part-time anyway, so I'll be working in the evening. So I'm still going to be uploading videos, definitely, because that's what I love to do, number one. But I'm just going to have to try to, you know, come up with a little schedule and balance it out a little bit better. You know, people make time for what they want to do, so I will definitely make time for this. But anyway, guys, yeah, that's about it. My hair is just, it's still, you know, growing. It's still locking. I mean, I'm having more of my ends are actually rounding out more so than being curly, as you can see. So they're kind of rounding out. And they're looking like really good. I'm very pleased with my results. I was thinking about combining some of my locks in the front to make them a little thicker, but I think I'm just going to hold off on that too. I'm just going to wait probably about a year and see how they look after a year. If I still want to combine, then I will, but if not, I mean, I just want to let them grow and mature a little bit before I start manipulating them. I also wanted to do color, but I'm so afraid of color. Because I just don't want to ruin them. Like, I'll be devastated. Look, I've already come this far, like 6 months, and then put color in them and ruin them. I'm just too scared. Because I had color when I was a loose natural and damaged my hair. So, I think I'm going to opt out on the color too. Unless I find somebody who's, like, really good. But then I would have to go to the loctician to let them treat it, I think. So they won't fall out. I don't know. I'm not going to do anything to my hair right now. They're going to stay black or dark brown. They're going to stay like this for now. I'm just going to let them grow and let them flourish. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I mean, if you have any questions, concerns, hit me up in the comments below. I always answer your questions. I'm on Instagram. I'll post that down in the description box below as well, guys. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And if you like my videos, why not just subscribe to my channel? And as always, world peace.